Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to calculate percentage in Excel. So I have a list of students here and their scores in 5 subjects. So we shall calculate the total marks scored by each student in the 5 subjects in this column. So to calculate for Asha, put your cursor here, then type in equal sign, then type sum and the formula just pops up. So double click on it and then select cell B4 all the way to F4. Once you're done, close the brackets and press enter. So we have the total score of Asha here. To get the total marks scored for the other students, put your cursor here and then double click to autofill. Then in this column, we have the total marks achievable. Like if a student was to score all the marks in a certain subject, what was the total achievable mark? We shall assume it was 100 in each subject and there are 5, okay? So let's drag here. So let's get the sum of the 5 subjects, which is 500. So the total marks achievable is 500 in all the subjects. So in this column, we shall calculate percentages, and I'll show you 2 ways on how to calculate percentages. So the first way, put your cursor here and then type equal sign, then select cell G4, which has the total marks scored for Asha by Asha, and then /, which is used in dividing in Excel, and then so we are dividing by the total marks achievable, which is 500, then multiply by 100 because you are calculating percentages. Once you're done, press enter. So that is the percentage for Asha. So to get the percentage for others, put your cursor here and double click. So the other way of calculating percentages, let me just undo this. Put your cursor here, then type in equal sign, then select the total marks scored, divide by the 500. So in this case, we shall not multiply by 100 as in the previous method. So we shall just press enter and then select the cell, and then under the home tab in the number group, you shall see this icon of percentages. Click on it and there you go. So that's the percentage for Asha. Let's get for the rest, and that's it. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.